Okay, this is a description of the Ausable Marathon course. This is the track from 2006, recorded from the boat of Todd Rodman and Jeff Rankinen. This is Jeff Rankinen narrating. I am primarily preparing this for my partner for 2009, Holly Reynolds, pit crew, Amy and Joey Rankinen. Here is the start of the race in Grayling. Starts out on the street. We have about a 150-yard straight stretch, a tight right-hand turn for another 100 yards, and then a tight left-hand turn. We get onto the dock and jump into the river. It's 9 o'clock at night. It's still light for about another hour, so we can follow other boats for the most part through this first section. Not too many major cuts, some small ones as you can see in here, but the main part of the river flows through these cuts, so it's not too difficult. Fast water, fairly shallow, 1 foot to 2 foot. Lots of people yelling and screaming at bridges, so it's pretty exciting up to this point. As you can see, very many sharp turns. Here's the first little cut. Again, still should be in daylight. Here's Burton's Landing. About 45 minutes into the race, a lot of people take a pit here. I've taken a pit here at this point, starting out very light. We'll have to discuss how we want to make, how do we want to do our pits. A lot of different options. So now it's starting to get dark. Hopefully we'll be still following some teams and continue very lots of turns, some straightaways, not a whole lot of cuts through this area. A couple markers indicating logs and various things. There's a few other items here. Another possible pit point. I'm not sure if this, I believe this is a park, not Parmalee at that point. Anyways, continuing on, the track looks like it's off the course, but that's just a calibration problem with the map. A few other notes. Again, it's pretty dark at this point, and a few notes here. And then we have a little spectator point called Wakeling Landing. Let me show you some of the various points in this Word document. So at the start, this is from me and Todd. We had a 1/3 jug of Perpetuum because we got a pit at Burton's. Then the Stefan's Bridge, there's Wakeling Landing, and Mcmasters Bridge is what we're coming up on next. As you can see, we went with a jug from Burton's all the way to Parmalee Bridge, which took us about 3 hours and 15 minutes. Going back to the course, again, lots of twists and turns, a few obstacles, and moving right along. The first major cut is Indian Cut. Since it's dark, it's hard to see. I'll zoom in. What we're going to do here is look for a cut on the left. We'll cut through there, and just have to be careful when we come out of Indian Cut when we hit the current, so we don't tip over. And continuing on, we're moving to one of the very loud bridges. A lot of people here at Mcmasters Bridge. A lot of people take a pit. According to my chart here, Mcmasters Bridge is 2 hours and 50 minutes. This is the end of the Spikes Challenge race also. And at this point, I'll end the first